I have been living here for 20 years, enjoying this wonderful residence at 94 Central Street, Narragansett, Rhode Island. I spent the last 20 beautiful, enjoyable years in LaSata, Native American name for the House of Peace. What I love about this house is everything. The significant historical value of a carefully restored iconic Victorian home. The opportunity to enjoy and care for this 142 years old architectural treasure built in a time very different than today. We have been very blessed to own LaSata, where many years ago the Bouvier family spent their summers with their two famous great nieces, future First Lady Jacqueline Bouvier Kennedy and her younger sister, famous model Princess Lee Radziwell. 1996, my husband Jerry Palmieri, a leader in financial world, fell in love with the house and decided to restore LaSata to its original splendor. A successful Wall Street investor, he was much more a Renaissance man with deep Rhode Island family roots. He loved nature, maintained beautiful gardens with tulips, lilies, and especially roses. We enjoy sharing this home and beautiful furnishing with others, and the charity was established for New England Public Rose Gardens. I hope the new owner will continue to cherish this irreplaceable historical architectural treasure. I hope the next owner will preserve LaSata and they will love the beauty of nature, people, flowers, and birds as much we do.